Some people drink deeply from the well of knowledge. Some people just rinse and spit. What I'm about to say is not been reviewed by peers, but I do believe that it is healthy to be around opposing views and not be triggered by them. It means we're not in an echo chamber, and we can continue to learn and bridge gaps between us, between ideas, and curiosity, patience, and a good faith attitude goes a long way in being an agent that reduces polarization. This world is screwed, and we need to do our best to hold on and keep the faith. Peace.